When creating a table, you can turn the orientation of the text within a cell by 90 degrees in either direction from normal. It's easy to do as described in this quick tip. Word allows you to quickly change the direction in which the text in a cell faces. For instance, notice that I have a table in this document. The text in the table is just to help demonstrate how you can change orientation. Let's say that I want this particular cell right here. I want the text to be vertical instead of horizontal. All I need to do is right-click on the cell itself, and then I'm going to choose Text Direction from the Context menu. That displays the Text Direction dialog box. All I need to do then is just choose which text direction that I want to use for this cell. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, and then when I click on OK, notice that it has now changed the direction of that text within the cell itself. I can also do the same thing by using the Layout tab of the ribbon. So for instance, let's say I want this one to be changed right here. All I need to do is make sure that the insertion point is within the cell, and then I go over to the Layout tab of the ribbon, and I use the Text Direction tool right here within the alignment group of commands. When I choose that, notice that it changes the direction. I can click it again and keep going to whatever orientation that I want to use within that cell. There you have it. 2 quick ways that you can change the orientation of the text within a cell of your table. Each cell can have its text rotated in whatever way works best for your needs. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the WordTips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.